offering is the truth. Nothing more.
Okay, the first thing I want you to pay attention to is the pattern of the waves and the movement of the water from the cameras of these ships. Now let's have a look at what happens to a couple swimming pools on a windy day. Now you have to remember the bottom of the swimming pool is level and the top of the water in the swimming pool is level. Now here we have a lagoon in Disneyland. Pay attention to the water patterns and the waves. They're identical to the water patterns and the waves of the ocean. But yet the water is flat on top and it has edges around it. Here we have Lake Octagon, which is fairly a pretty huge lake. But pay attention to the water patterns and the waves in the lake. They're identical to the ocean. And the thing about this is the water's flat on top and it has edges, it has banks all around it. A fairly large pond. Now pay attention to the water patterns and the waves. They're identical to the water pattern and the waves in the ocean, yet the water is contained. It has a bank all the way around it and it's flat on top. And here we have a wave pool for children. Now notice the water patterns and the waves are identical to the ocean, yet the water is flat on top and it is contained with edges. Now what do all the videos have in common that we just watched? They all have a flat surface of water on top, and they all have an edge that surrounds them. All the bodies of water that we just looked at have an edge that surround them, making them contained, which is the only way possible for the waves to come in and go back out. Now, if we were to believe what science tells us, which is the sun and the moon, especially the moon, causes the waves in the ocean. Well, if that were the case, then it should cause waves in the lake, waves in a pond, waves in a mud puddle, waves in your bathtub, and waves in your toilet. Now, as you can see, waves can only be formed in water that is contained. And when I say contained, yes, the ocean is contained by the ice wall. The waves have to have something to go back and hit in order to come back to the shore. Now, here's the nail in the coffin. Okay, if gravity were strong enough to hold every body of water, ocean water, to it, well, then it'd be impossible for hurricanes and typhoons, which are not as heavy as the ocean water, it would be impossible for those storms to even form, because gravity would not allow the water to be pulled up. If gravity doesn't allow the oceans to be slung out in outer space, then it wouldn't allow typhoons and hurricanes to just pull the water up anytime it wanted to and move it anywhere it wanted to. The gravity should just automatically pull it back down, but it doesn't, because it doesn't exist. Just like oceans sticking to a spinning ball don't exist. Anyways, have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching, and God bless.
All I'm offering is the truth. Nothing more.